Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Say these two words to instantly attract any woman. Vertical bar, women's psychology, how words shape our world. Words are incredibly powerful. They are the building blocks of our communication and the essence of our interactions. They have the ability to build bridges and tear them down. With a few simple words, we can mend relationships or create rifts that may never heal. Words can spark revolutions, ignite love, and heal wounds. They can inspire movements that change the course of history or bring two hearts closer together. We use words to express our thoughts, emotions, and desires. They are the medium through which we share our innermost feelings and connect with others on a deeper level. The words we choose can have a profound impact on how others perceive us and how they feel about themselves. A kind word can uplift someone's spirit, while a careless remark can bring them down. In the realm of human relationships, words are even more crucial. They are the threads that weave the fabric of our connections, creating a tapestry of shared experiences and mutual understanding. They form the foundation of communication, understanding, and connection. Without words, we would be lost in a sea of misunderstandings and missed opportunities. Choosing the right words can make all the difference in creating meaningful bonds. It's not just about what we say, but how we say it. This is especially true when it comes to attraction. Think about it. The right words can make someone feel special and valued, while the wrong ones can push them away. A simple good morning can brighten someone's day. It's a small gesture that shows you care and sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. A heartfelt compliment can boost their confidence. It can make them feel appreciated and seen, which is a powerful way to build a connection. On the flip side, harsh words can leave lasting scars. They can damage self-esteem and create emotional wounds that take a long time to heal. In the delicate dance of attraction, words can be the key to unlocking hearts and creating lasting impressions. They can convey sincerity, warmth, and genuine interest. The words we use can convey our values, our intentions, and our feelings. They are a reflection of who we are and what we stand for. They can make someone feel seen, understood, and appreciated, or they can make them feel invisible, judged, and insignificant. The choice is ours. When we are mindful of the words we use, we can create a positive and attractive aura around ourselves. This mindfulness can lead to stronger, more meaningful relationships and a more fulfilling life. Attraction is a complex interplay of factors. Physical appearance, shared interests, and common values all play a role. However, words hold a special power in this equation. They provide a window into our minds, revealing our thoughts, beliefs, and personalities. When we communicate with someone we're attracted to, our words can either enhance or diminish the attraction. Complimenting someone's intelligence can be far more effective than simply praising their looks. Engaging in stimulating conversation can create a deeper connection than superficial small talk. The psychology of attraction tells us that people are drawn to those who make them feel good about themselves. Words that uplift, encourage, and inspire are powerful tools for creating attraction. By focusing on positive communication and using words that make others feel valued and appreciated, we can significantly increase our attractiveness. In the quest to understand what attracts women, countless studies have been conducted and numerous theories have been proposed. While there's no magic formula, certain words and phrases seem to resonate more deeply than others. One such phrase, surprisingly simple yet incredibly effective, is "you're different." Now, you might be thinking, different? How can such a simple word be so powerful? The answer lies in the psychology of human nature. We all crave to be seen, understood, and appreciated for who we truly are. In a world that often tries to fit us into neat boxes, being told you're different can be incredibly validating. These two words carry a profound message. You stand out from the crowd. You're not just another face in the sea of humanity. There's something unique and special about you that has captured my attention. From a psychological perspective, being told you're different taps into our innate desire for individuality and recognition. It suggests that the speaker sees something special in us, something that sets us apart from the ordinary. This recognition can be incredibly flattering, especially in the context of romantic attraction. Think about it, we're bombarded with messages that tell us to conform, to fit in, to be like everyone else. So, when someone comes along and acknowledges our uniqueness, It can be incredibly refreshing and attractive. It shows that they're paying attention, that they see us for who we truly are, and that they appreciate what makes us special. This recognition of our individuality can be a powerful aphrodisiac. It creates a sense of intimacy and connection, making us feel seen and understood on a deeper level. Section 5. Emotional connection, speaking to her individuality. You're different goes beyond mere flattery. It speaks to a deeper emotional need for connection. When you tell a woman she's different, you're acknowledging her individuality, her unique qualities, and her perspective. You're saying, I see you and I appreciate what makes you, you. This type of acknowledgement fosters a sense of emotional connection. It creates a space for vulnerability, authenticity, and genuine interaction. Instead of trying to fit her into a preconceived mold, you're embracing her for who she is, quirks and all. This approach can be incredibly disarming and attractive. It shows that you're not just interested in superficial qualities, but in getting to know the real person behind the facade. Section 6. Boosting self-esteem, the power of recognition. Everyone desires to feel good about themselves. Words of affirmation and recognition play a significant role in boosting self-esteem. When you tell a woman you're different, you're essentially acknowledging her worth and value. You're saying, you're special, and I appreciate you. This recognition can be incredibly empowering, especially for women who may have been made to feel invisible or insignificant in the past. It can boost their confidence, make them feel more comfortable in their own skin, and encourage them to embrace their uniqueness. By acknowledging her individuality and making her feel seen and appreciated, you're not only expressing your attraction but also contributing to her overall well-being. This genuine act of kindness and recognition can create a powerful bond and lay the foundation for a meaningful connection. Section 7. Using You're Different. Authentically practical tips. Now, before you go around telling every woman you meet that she's different, it's crucial to understand the importance of authenticity. Authenticity is the cornerstone of any meaningful interaction. The key is to use these words genuinely and sincerely, only when you truly mean them. Empty words can be easily detected and can do more harm than good. Observe and appreciate. Pay attention to what makes her unique. This means being present in the moment and truly listening to her. Does she have a contagious laugh? Notice how her laughter lights up the room and brings joy to those around her. Is she passionate about a particular hobby? Maybe she talks about it with such enthusiasm that it becomes infectious. Does she have a unique perspective on life? Her views might challenge your own and open your mind to new possibilities. Notice these details and let her know that you appreciate what makes her stand out. Genuine compliments can create a deeper connection. Be specific. Instead of just saying you're different, elaborate on what specifically makes her unique. Specificity shows that you are paying attention. For example, you could say, you have such a refreshing outlook on life, which is so rare and inspiring. Or, I'm captivated by your passion for her interest. This shows that you value her individuality. Use you're different as a conversation starter. If you're struggling to find the right words, you can use you're different as a conversation starter. It's a great way to break the ice. For example, you could say, you strike me as someone who's quite different. This can pique her interest and open up a dialogue. I'd love to hear more about what makes you tick. This shows genuine curiosity and can lead to a meaningful conversation. Section 8. Beyond the words authenticity and genuine interest. While you're different can be a powerful phrase, it's essential to remember that words alone are not enough. They are just the beginning. Your tone of voice, body language, and overall demeanor should convey genuine interest and respect. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Make eye contact. Eye contact is crucial for establishing connection and conveying sincerity. It shows that you are present in the moment. When you're talking to her, make sure to maintain eye contact to show that you're present and engaged in the conversation. This small gesture can make a big difference. Listen actively. Being a good listener is just as important as being a good talker. Show that you value her words. When she's speaking, really listen to what she has to say. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Ask follow-up questions, make eye contact, and show that you're genuinely interested in her thoughts and feelings. This will make her feel valued and understood. Be yourself. Authenticity is key to forming genuine connections. People can sense when you're being real. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to have interests you don't. Authenticity is attractive. Be true to yourself and let your personality shine through. This will help you build a deeper, more meaningful connection. Section 9. Conclusion: words that build bridges. Words have the power to build bridges or create walls. In the realm of attraction, choosing the right words can make all the difference. While there's no magic formula, your difference stands out as a powerful phrase that can capture a woman's attention and spark a genuine connection. The key is to use these words authentically, with genuine interest and respect, by acknowledging her individuality, appreciating her uniqueness, and making her feel seen and understood. You create a space for a meaningful connection to blossom. Remember, attraction is not about manipulation or playing games. It's about being genuine, respectful, and appreciating the unique qualities that make each person special. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.